Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making black-eyed peas recipe, so please stick around and watch this video. Happy New Year's, guys. It's 2021 and we have made it to another new year. Please stay tuned. So I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 stalk of celery chopped. I have 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper flakes. I have some bell pepper, red and green. I have 1 onion chopped, and I have a smoked ham with some of the ham meat and the ham bone. You can use any smoked meat that you prefer to use. And I have 16 ounces of black-eyed peas. I have some black pepper and salt, and I have chicken stock over here, which is 32 ounces, and I have some allspice and fresh thyme. And these are my ingredients. I saute in the vegetables. I'm going to turn the heat on, and I'm going to add some olive oil, which is about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. I'm going to add the bell peppers, the onion, the garlic, celery. I'm going to add the thyme, red pepper flakes, and I'm going to add about 4 pimento seed or allspice. I'm going to add 4 of these berries to give it some flavor. This is smelling so good. Go in and add the bits of ham and meat to the pot. And I'm just going to allow the flavors to come together and allow the onions to be translucent. I'm going to go in and add the chicken stock. I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning to this. I'm going to add the ham bone. This is going to give it lots of flavor. Oh my goodness, I can imagine the taste of this already. The black-eyed peas. So now I'm just going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And I'm going to give this a nice stir. I'm going to leave this to cook for about 2 to 3 hours. Until the peas is tender and it comes down to a nice consistency. This is how it looks after an hour. Oh my goodness, this is smelling so good. I wish you could smell this. And this is looking absolutely gorgeous. This is looking exactly the way how you want it to be. Look at this, peep this, guys. Oh my God. After an hour. And now we're just going to cook this without the lid on. We're not going to cover it anymore because we want to reduce some of the liquid. So we're just gonna cook this on medium high, and no more covering. We're not gonna cover the pot anymore. We're just gonna leave it to cook just like this for the next hour. And you can test the beans. The beans is slightly cooked, not cooked yet. Needs to cook some more. So the next hour we'll do it and reduce some of the water. But I'm telling you, this is absolutely smelling good. And I'm gonna taste it. It tastes good. And it's not even finished yet. So you need to try this recipe out. I'm telling you. See you back in the next hour. So this is it, the final result. It is smelling so good. Oh my god. It has come down to a nice stew like. If you don't like the stew consistency, you can leave some more water into yours. Let it be more like liquidy. But I like mine down to a nice stew. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to taste this. I can't wait to eat this because this is looking and smelling absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. So this is it, guys. A whole 145 minutes. It didn't took the 2 hours. Luckily I soaked the peas, so that's why it took shorter time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. It's free to subscribe to this channel, and for you to like this video, it supports and help my channel to grow. So please go ahead and like this video. Look at my black beans. They're smelling so good and looking amazing. Look at that stew. Oh my god. Please go ahead and try this out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. You can absolutely eat this with anything you like. I'm gonna eat this with some rice. Look at this, man. This is looking so gorgeous and nice. Oh my goodness. And the ham is falling off the bone. It is so tender. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna do a taste test. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test with some of my rice. So I have some rice over here. I'm gonna just taste into it. This is very hot. And the moment of truth awaits. Oh my goodness, this is good. The sauce is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get some with the pork.